Welcome to the point of view exercise. This exercise is a free bonus exercise given with the Skills for 2020 course to all the participants. Use this gift for resolution or seeing out negotiations as well as building skills in yourself also. There is a wide use of point of view exercise. Let me give you a brief intro about what is point of view exercise. The first part of point of view exercise is that where you use point of view. If you feel that you have been looking for a job but you are not getting a job, right? Or if you feel that you are in a tough relationship either in your office or at your home with your spouse or with any other person, or if you are in a problem in which you cannot find out what is the way out, at that point of time this point of view exercise serves the best for you. Point of view has three parts. The theory of point of view exercise according to neurolinguistic programming is that sometimes you do not see what is the problem and where is the problem by being in the problem. So you have to use a higher view of looking at the problem, and this can be done with the help of this exercise. To do this exercise you need two chairs back to back or facing each other, right? And point of view needs three positions which we have to think of. The position 1 will be your own position where you will be sitting. Position 2 will be the opposite person with whom you want to know that what he thinks about you or why he is not giving you what you want or why he is not behaving in the way that you want to. The third position is an observer position. We often find that we are able to help other people in conflict outside our arena, right? But many a times when finding problems about yourself, you cannot effectively look into the problem and find it out. And so I say that always solve a problem as if it is not your problem, as if it is your friend's problem. Because when you think it as your friend's problem, you'll be able to give a non-biased view into that, and the same thing will be practiced in the point of view exercise. Let's start the exercise. Sit comfortably in a chair with your spine erect and your head straight. Alright? The first position that you assume is yourself. So, and in the second chair, put the person, either the interviewer, your boss, your difficult colleague, your difficult client, a difficult relative, a spouse, a kid, or anybody that you feel or you want to solve and resolve issues with. Now, sit down at the first position, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Keep a pen and paper ready with you if you need to, or you can even keep a mental record of what we are going to do in this exercise. Sit in the first position, and from your point of view, take 1 or 2 minutes and think about the problems that you feel or the complaints that you feel about the other person sitting in front of you. Give it a thought for approximately 30 seconds. Give a command to yourself that what could be the possible problem with the person sitting in front of me and in between me that is making it difficult for me to manage a relationship with this person. Think for it for about 30 seconds. Ask the question again and again. What is the possible reason that I am in difficulty with this relation or I am in difficulty with this person. Now open your eyes and start writing the answer that is coming into your mind. Take your own pace and use another 30 seconds and write it down as fast as possible. Do not worry about the writing or the scripting the thing. Just make out the points that you feel that are coming to your mind. Write down as fast as possible for another 20 seconds. Another 10 seconds more. Now put the pen and paper on a side. Stand up, open your eyes, look around. This is breaking your state from yourself. Now you sit on the seat of the other person that is opposite to you. Now you are that person with whom you have conflicts. Sit down in that place, close your eyes, keep your back erect, keep your head erect, take a deep breath. Now see yourself in the place of the person with whom you are in conflict and try to think that what that person will be thinking is the problem with you, so he is not complying with you. Try to think of the other person's situation in front of you and how he is looking at you, so that he feels or he is saying you verbally or non-verbally that this is the problem with you, and so I am not being able to be compliant with you. Just see yourself sitting in front of your own opposite person. See yourself from the viewpoint of your boss, your colleague, your client, your spouse. Think what he might be thinking about you, so he has a problem with you. Do this for another 10 seconds. Continue asking the question. Now pick up the pen and paper and start writing whatever comes to your mind. I'll give you 20 seconds for this, not more than that. Do not make sentences, do not script, do not think. Whatever comes to your mind that this person might be thinking that this is wrong with me and so he is not complying with me. Write down those points, note them down effectively for another 10 seconds. If you are not done, I'll give you another 5 seconds for the same. If you are done, gently stand up, open your eyes and look around. Take a deep breath. Say your name loudly. This we are doing to break the state. Now move back for 2 to 3 steps from both the chairs. Once you are away from both the chairs, look at the chair. Now you are a third person from outside and he is looking at both of you sitting in these 2 chairs. You are sitting in the position 1. The person with whom you want to resolve the conflict is sitting in the position 2. And some third person is listening to both of you. He is listening what you are saying about the problem. He is listening what the other person is saying about the problem. And now see yourself observing them and think what could be the possible solution of the problem in between these both, the person 1 and person 2. Now gently close your eyes, keep your shoulders erect, keep your head straight and take a deep breath and think about what were the problems that as a person 1 was saying. What are the problems that person 2 is saying and what could be the possible solutions for the conflict in between person 1 and person 2. Just observe it from outside. Try to figure out what can be the possible solutions. I'll give you 20 seconds to do this thinking. "10 seconds more. Now open your eyes, take the pen and paper and start writing the solution that you have got to resolve the issue in between the person 1 and person 2 as person 3. I'll give you 10 seconds for this. Try to pen down as fast as possible. That's it. Stop writing, take the pen and paper, and now go to place 1. Sit in the first position and keep your shoulder erect, the neck held straight. Take a deep breath. Now close your eyes and think as person 1 that whatever the solutions are they true? Can you work on those solutions, or do you still feel that there is some other problem that is not being addressed in these solutions given by person 3? Keep it reflective. Think about the points that have been suggested by person 3 in your position 3. Those points which are true, just tick them on the paper. Now stand up, open your eyes, look around, take a deep breath. What is the date today? Just remember the date, that is today. Now gently move to position 2 and again critically see at the points that person 3 has suggested, and do you feel that these points, which of these points are working with the maintaining of the relationship between you and the other person. Give it a thought for another 20 seconds. Think about the points as the person with whom you have conflict, and those points in which person 1 and person 2 agree. Write them down or take them down. If you feel there is a further problem, add to the list that you have previously prepared. Now gently stand up, open your eyes, look around and go to the position of person 3. Take a deep breath and reassess the condition, looking at person 1 and person 2 out of the conflict. Do you feel that the suggested things that they have agreed to is bringing a balance between both of these people? If you feel yes, just close your eyes, think at the solutions and the solutions on which person 1 and person 2 agree for resolution of the conflict in between both. Gently open your eyes, note down whatever thoughts are coming to your mind without giving it further thinking. Now stand up, take a deep breath and review the solutions that you have come to the consensus and start applying them. These are the nearest and the closest possible solutions for the resolution of conflict between you and the other person. These are the answers to the questions from your mind that you were searching from outside. And if you strongly believe in your own powers, you apply these thoughts and you will be easily able to resolve the conflict in between you and the other person. You can even do this before going to an interview. You become the candidate to give an interview and become the candidate who is taking the interview, and then you can even become the third person, that is the second person sitting in the interview, and how he is reviewing the conversation between you. If there is a problem in your relationship, you can keep yourself at position 1, keep the difficult relationship at position 2, and you can just cross question the same thing to position 2 and then to position 1 from position 2. and as an observer or a friend of any one of them who is listening to the conversation, and what are the possible suggestions that you get, pen it down and start putting them into practice, and I assure you this will help you out. Once you put these things in practice, and if you feel that still the problem is going on, repeat this exercise after a week or 10 days and reassess the positions. This change of point of view will give you an answer to the conflict that is going on, and it will help you resolve the conflict without getting into much tougher or brainstorming or aggressive sessions. Practice this regularly whenever you feel conflict with anybody in your office, in your family, in your life, or anywhere else. All the best. Use this technique effectively for solving and finding out solutions for your problems. Hope you a great year ahead and wish you all the success.